We're here at the South by Southwest premiere for Chili Finger. You guys, we're going to chat with producers, directors, and stars of this film, so let's get to talking. The movie's obviously based off a finger allegedly being found in a chili bowl. If there was something you were to find in your chili bowl that's super random, what would you hope that it would be?
Oh, I mean, I would hope it would be a finger so that I could blackmail the restaurant for a lot of money.
And get all the money, yeah, absolutely.
Right. And I wouldn't make the silly mistakes that all these other people did.
You would do it right.
Yeah,
exactly.
I'd get away with it too.
And then, what's like your go-to chili bowl? If you're making your own bowl of chili, what's going in it?
Oh my gosh. Well, so I'm from the Midwest. I'm from Wisconsin. So at all sporting events, you have like a bag of Fritos and you put the chili in the bag. It's called a walking taco.
Okay.
So that's kind of like my guilty pleasure chili.
Yeah, I love that. I love a walking taco.
Fritos.
Yeah, very good. Okay, and then finally, what was it like for you getting to work on this film?
Oh, it was a dream. I mean, with this cast, with the department heads we had, like Ed and I just had the time of our lives making this movie. And yeah, couldn't have asked for a better team to be surrounded by.
Yeah, I love that. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. For more from all of our South by Southwest coverage and more from A-List, visit KXAN.com and follow us on social media.